Alright, Kara. So you've been here, multiple times, and today you're here for the same issues, the neck pain, stiffness stuff. Can you tell me about more your complaints?
I used to have a lot more pain in my trap, but now it's mainly in my neck a lot, and just overall soreness, and then a little bit of pain in my middle back.
Like a scapula?
Yes, by where my shoulders. Normally, mostly still on my left side.
Can you describe your pain? Is it like deep, achy, stiffness, tightness, or?
It feels almost like it pops out, like my shoulder pops like over a knot almost. But then my neck is like just a very dull ache, kind of like pain all the time.
How's your range of motion, like turning right and left side?
It's not terrible, but it's not as good as it normally is after you do all of your work.
Can you look all the way down and all the way up? How you feel?
I've just been having a little more stiffness right at the top of my neck where it meets my head.
Let's bring,
when I look down.
Bring ear to shoulder. And the other side? How you feel on that one? Stiffness. Okay. But you don't feel any radiating pain down to the arms?
No.
Nothing
no,
like
I've never had that. Sometimes I'll feel it into my head, but I haven't had that lately.
Okay. All right. Okay. Kara, you can turn around. Okay, see the other side. And...
Yeah, that used to be a huge knot, remember? Yeah. This feels like a different tool.
You know it? Wow!
Oh,
new toy! Yes!
This feels totally different than the handlebar thing you have.
Wow, I know. You're my patient.
Oh God.
Just pop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was it just your hands? Oh no, it's some ball thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's some torture thing. Torture roller.
Your low back doesn't really crack much, but let me push this side. Okay, just give me relax.
This is me relaxed.
Okay. A little bit. But...
Oh!
You felt it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, alright. Relax here. Okay, let me see this side here. Okay, good. Okay.
Uh-oh.
You Tiffany. Okay. Now fall into my hands, your head. Relax your head. Good. Relax a little more.
Oh,
That's it.
you're like a ninja. You're just like jumping around.
Okay, loose. Okay. Move around your neck. How you feel?
Much looser.
Looser? Lighter?
Oh yeah, my arms move better.
Okay, that was good.
Yeah, I feel like I can actually
And
like
your left shoulder was out of the place.
this one, yes.
And it popped back in. Alright. Yeah,
Feels good, dude.
I feel a lot